Death could not hold you, it felt up before you, silence the boast of sin and grave. The heavens are roaring, the praise of your glory, for you are raised to life again, and you have no rival. Yours is the kingdom, yours is the glory, yours is the name.